Beauty without torture. How to prepare homemade Botox, with which the skin will be young and supple. Time passes, age increases, and along with it, wrinkles appear on the face as traces of our emotions. These marks on the face are memories of all that we have experienced. But we shouldn't look older than we feel, should we? It is at this point that we begin to think about plastic surgery and serious cosmetic procedures. But is it worth investing significant money and risking your health in plastic surgery centers to rejuvenate yourself by a few years? Where did the Chinese mustache come from? The answer is most often no. And in the continuation of the conversation, we want to teach you how to get rid of such a phenomenon as nasolabial folds, or Chinese mustache, which gives unpleasant moments to many women. To begin with, let's figure out what a Chinese mustache is, why and when they appear. Chinese mustache is a pronounced line on the skin of the face, formed between the base of the nose and the lateral corners of the lips, giving the impression of a long mustache, like the heroes of Oriental films. Usually these lines appear after 30 years, sometimes later or earlier. It is impossible to avoid them, therefore, as they deepen, they deliver unpleasant minutes to women. Factors such as sun exposure, heredity, and smoking can exacerbate the problem. Diet can also contribute to the earlier appearance of these lines. According to experts, women who use nutricosmetics, capsules and supplements rich in vitamins, proteins and minerals that reduce the effects of age and watch their diet can soften the depth of the Chinese mustache. In addition to cosmetic procedures to fill these folds with special preparations, there are other products on the market today that can solve the problem. But you can also choose a natural homemade product that will bring positive results without significant financial investment. Known as homemade Botox, this cornstarch puree has become the current buzzword among beauty bloggers. We decided to give you a step-by-step recipe for its preparation and application so that you can try it. Ingredients: cornstarch, water, moisturizing cream, carrot. Sequence of preparation and application: mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in half a glass of water, stir well. Pour the other part of the water into a saucepan and, when it starts to boil, add a mixture of starch and water. Stir the ingredients until you get a homogeneous mass. Wait for it to cool and add, at your discretion, either a moisturizer or grated carrots. Now, simply apply the mask on a cleansed face, leave to act for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. A good move is to do a scrub before applying the mask, and after the procedure is completed, moisturize the skin of the face. Be beautiful and young. Skin of the face. Be beautiful and young. Skin of the face. Be beautiful and young.